the shoot is at it again. 75 grain, first two, and with the ratical. Oh yeah, 16-inch barrel. 75 grain and 4 62s. All right. And then I think I have 1 60 grain, and the rest are 190s. So it'd be 4 of them, I think. 4 of them all together. So out of the Cougar, Mauser Cougar. A little bit to the right, maybe. A little bit to the left. A little low to the right. One click over to the left. High. That was to the left. Ah! Just over. Oh! Looks like high. Low. Still low. Last shot. 1.5 to 2 mils. And to the left. I think that's more of a fragmentation. Yeah, some rocks blasting into it. But that's definitely it. What hit it? I'm kind of curious. Was it the 30-06? It looks like a pretty big hit there. So I'm thinking, looks like the 30-06 hit it.